Hello. This is Bad Ronnie and Santiago. And today, I'm going to wake up Ronnie and Santiago with an air horn. Oh my God. Bad Ronnie and Santiago. How dare you woke me up with an air horn? That's it. Dad. Come over here right now.
What is it, Ronnie and Santiago?
Bad Ronnie and Santiago woke me up with an air horn.
Bad Ronnie and Santiago, did you wake up Ronnie and Santiago with an air horn? Come on, tell me the truth right now.
Okay. You got me. I did wake up Ronnie and Santiago with an air horn, because I was bored. I am so sorry.
You did what? Oh. Bad Ronnie and Santiago. What is wrong with you? How dare you wake up Ronnie and Santiago with an air horn? That's it. You are grounded for 5 days. Go upstairs to your room right now, and think about what you did.